What is going on, guys? We're back again, and today we're going to start wrapping some more. Like I said yesterday, I did the fenders. They turned out really good. I think today I'm going to do the hood, or not the hood. The hood is broke. The roof. I'm going to do that first, and then I may come up here and start working on the front bumper. I have to do a couple inlays right here, right where it just sneaks in. So I'll probably put a strip where it ducks in there. And then if I got time, I will do the front bumper today as well. But we'll see. Right now, we're going to do the roof. You can see that fender turned out really well too. The rest of it, I got to sand a few of the imperfections. So we'll work on that. But here we go. Okay, first I'm just going to spray this alcohol on here. I'm gonna wipe it off. Alright, next I got this knifeless tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a seam on this window. The rest of it I should be able to tuck in, but I may also run a seam down this as well. I'm not sure yet. Alright guys, so this is done. I'm just going to trim it, then we'll pull the tape off here, and it should be fine. I have a few little bubbles, but you can barely see them unless you look at a certain angle, but most of it turned out pretty good. So we're going to take this off and stay tuned for the finish. All the seams look good, so on the edges. But yeah, it turned out good. So now I may do an inlay on this front bumper just to practice. And then I don't know if I'm going to have time to do the front bumper. Maybe next week before I do the front bumper. But yeah, we're slowly getting it. Probably do the door next. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Go below, like this video. Take care and have a great day.